First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for joining us for this great event today. I'm Mark Rose, Senior Vice President, IHS Energy Americas Group. So we're here today to celebrate the next recipient of the IHS Spectrum Excellence Award. The IHS Spectrum Excellence Award is really about acknowledging people, organizations, or groups of people within organizations who have done extraordinary work in the excellent areas of advanced information, analytics, and research utilizing IHS projects to really further the benefits and the goals of their companies. So the program was started in 2006 from our OERM group, Operational Excellence Risk Management Organization. And last year we decided to expand it across all of IHS. One of the things IHS is very proud of is our customer clientele includes more than 75% of the global 500 customers. So you can see that this is an award. You're in very good company across a variety of industries, functions, disciplines, domains. So last year we expanded it, and it's been a great honor for our company. Because we work with so many companies, we do hundreds of these projects every year. As I said, we work with many global companies, and so we do hundreds of these projects. So it's a real honor to be selected to be part of this robust group. The reason for the Spectrum Award, called the Spectrum Award, is we watch for companies that use the entire breadth and depth of the information we provide, as well as companies' internal information, and to put projects together. So it's, again, very exciting award for us, a very select group of companies, and we're honored here to be here today. And with that, I'm going to introduce Mr. Gabe Lopes, who's been involved with this project to the beginning, to talk a little bit about the project. Gabe?
Okay. Thank you, Mark. Our award today goes to one of the world's largest oil field service providers, operating in more than 80 countries, specializing in everything from drilling, evaluating formations, completions, productions, and reservoir consulting. This company's continued success depends upon its ability to understand the myriad of economic, strategic, and competitive factors, particularly the impact of unexpected events in order to minimize risks and maximize opportunities for itself and its customers. To achieve these goals, it must improve forecasts for key metrics such as oil prices and rig counts and economic activity, better understands the customer's decision-making process, identify best opportunities for capital investment, and make better strategic decisions. Well, our award winner, the sole developer and architect of the machine learning applications, met those challenges and more as he helped this market-leading firm predict the impact of oil price changes on customer spending and on demand for product lines, averaging 3,500 different factors, enhanced forecast accuracy in oil rig count from 90% to 97.6%, created highly accurate to an 8.5% error rate crude oil price model that predicted the deflation in the WTI crude oil prices at the end of 2014, and enabled his executive teams to make more informed decisions for optimal capital allocation, driving opportunities and investments. Looking ahead, this company has now made its good forecasts even better and gained valuable new insights into how customers make decisions. As our winner explained it, and it's up on the board, we use predictive analytic models to glean patterns that we couldn't see before. We can take different factors and integrate them into one model and then develop a forecast that learns the pattern. Again, it's more of a holistic approach. You can start looking at markets in a much more dynamic way. Now, without further ado, let's present the trophy. And the winner is Baker Hughes. And here today to accept the IHS Spectrum Excellence Award, Anton Gordon, Manager of Strategy and Corporate Development.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Anton.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Great job. Yeah, outstanding.
All right.
And your little...
Great. Okay, great. Thank you. I'm not very good at giving speeches, so I'll make sure that I'm short and succinct. One, I want to thank Baker Hughes for the opportunity to work with them and providing a platform to develop the type of analytic innovations that I've developed. So again, thank you to Baker Hughes. Also, I'd like to give personal thanks to a few people in the room. Edwin, I want to thank you for the guidance that you provided, advice that you provided, and the innovations that you've also provided in terms of how we think about messaging and solving some of the organization's strategic problems. I also want to thank Mike Daniels as well. Mike, I worked with you for about 2.5 years now. Mike's one of the few people that'll sit down and listen to me pontificate about oil prices and economics, and I appreciate you doing that as well. And he's definitely emerged as a true leader within the industry and within the organization. I would just say that I think this award, it's not something that really just shows what I can do, but I think what it does is it provides a framework for a new innovation and with respect to data science and analytics within oil and gas. I think we see a lot of innovation taking place at the subsurface level, and I think it's time that we begin to take that innovation, bring it above ground, and start applying it towards economics, finance, and valuation. I think that this award begins to show what you can do if you have the right minds, the right people, and the right type of intelligent thinking approach to develop new and innovative data mining algorithms. So this is just one example, and hopefully we'll begin to see the industry follow suit. So thank you again. Thank you to IHS. Thank you, Gabe. And I appreciate the award. Thank you.